We are joined by Telangana Cabinet Minister and Senior Congress Leader, former PCC Chief Uttam Kumar Reddy garu. Sir, your constituency had been into limelight with your victory, but now we see that floods, devastating floods have taken place in your constituency and the neighboring constituencies now. So everything under radar. What do you have to say first?
Bashir, there have been unprecedented heavy rains over the last 36 to 48 hours in Telangana. The India Met Department has issued a red alert, and there's a deep depression of the coast of Andhra Pradesh, which has resulted in very heavy rains in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And since our area borders Andhra Pradesh, we are also witnessing heavy rains. And there has been significant damage to agriculture crops. Thousands of hectares of land has been inundated, and many houses have got damaged, some partially, some totally, and also some lives have been lost very, very unfortunately. But our government is doing its utmost in terms of whatever measures are required to help the people during this natural calamity. We are doing it. Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, Deputy Chief Minister Batti Vikramarka, all of us cabinet ministers are out in the field, going to every place where there have been heavy rains and floods. And whatever the government can do, we are assuring the people, and we are doing it also to help the people in these difficult times.
Well, sir, on your action and strategy plan, there is opposition. The BRS party is questioning the methods. They say that Andhra has got 6 choppers or helicopters for the rescue operations, 150 boats on ground. What does Telangana have for this particular floods that are taken?
See, I think KTR is not living in reality. I think after the loss, he's been in a bit of a depression and frustration because it's a ridiculous statement to make. In Telangana, our government is fully geared up. We have tied up with the Indian Air Force for helicopters as needed on a short notice as is required basis. We also got the NDRF, National Disaster Response Forces, in many parts of Telangana. We are fully geared up in terms of infrastructure, and the government itself is from a Tahsildar level to a Chief Minister, everybody's in the field. I mean, all of us are in the field. For the last couple of days, we are going to every place where there is either there have been floods or some damage due to heavy rains, or there's a danger of floods happening. So we are working very hard, round the clock, and I think we are doing a job that is, the people are satisfied about that. This government is sincere and committed to help them in this times of natural calamity.
Well, we see that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had called Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, Home Minister is also called, but today we see that Revanth Reddy ji has asked for a national calamity, that had taken place here as status by the central government, and also he's asked Prime Minister to visit here. So what exactly, the situation here you say is under control, the strategy and all the precautionary measures have been taken. So why is it that?
See, I can tell you what the background is, that in our assessment, the damage to Telangana in loss of property and agriculture crops, etc., has been in excess of 5,000 crores. 5,000 crores. So one, we have asked for central assistance in this time of, a serious natural disaster. We also asked the central government to send a team to make a quick assessment on the ground and release substantial money to us.
Sir, on the other side, on one side we see Congress has come to power here with the 6 guarantees. Now the opposition is claiming that in the state and also in the other states that Congress has not implemented their guarantees in their own ruling states. The condition here, the financial condition is also very curbing for the states. How will they implement in the states that are heading towards the polls and the promises that are going to be made for those also? So what is the strategy here?
See, Bashir, I can tell you with my long legislative experience, I've been elected to the Assembly 6 times and once to the Parliament. I've been elected 7 consecutive times. I've been a minister in combined Andhra Pradesh. I've been a minister in separate state now. I've been the president of the Congress party of the state for a long time. And I can tell you with my long legislative experience, in independent India, the one time Congress has kept up its assurances and promises is now. in 8 months of our government, this month we are completing 8 months, out of which 3 months were lost in the model code of conduct for parliament elections. We have done more than what, say, a BRS government did in 10 years. For example, we have implemented a 2 lakh farm loan waiver, unprecedented in India. That means every farmer's family which has loans up to 2 lakhs, the loan has been taken over by government, waived. They don't have the bank indebtedness anymore. Then we have allowed all women to travel free of cost in RTC buses. We are giving LPG cylinders at 500 rupees. We have made medical treatment free of cost up to 10 lakh rupees. And a large number of such things and many more in the pipeline. I can tell you with this track record, and anybody quotes what we have done, the Congress will go in with an advantage in the states going to polls now.
Okay, sir. So another thing to question, sir, mainly when we see that these guarantees are being implemented is what you say, but one such guarantee was during the floods, 25 lakh as ex gratia was the promise that the Congress had made during the polls, and now we see that a 5 lakh ex gratia has been announced. That is also being questioned by the opposition. What do you have to say?
See, immediately what we are releasing, I mean, it took place yesterday, Bashir, and today we are announcing we'll give 5 lakhs. The final decision of the total amount will be by the cabinet decision. But today we announced 5 lakhs for somebody who's lost a human life, some family, and if there's any cattle that are, died in this floods, 50,000 rupees. For every house in which the water enters in the flood, we're saying 10,000 rupees. I think it's a fairly generous package which is announced instantly. We're going to do enumeration and then after that announce the total package for those who are affected adversely by the floods and heavy rains.
Well, sir, also on the health condition, with the rising cases of dengue and malaria, there are questions raised on the number and the way the government is curbing these kind of seasonal diseases. What do you have to say?
See, this is totally, the BRS and the BJP not knowing what else to talk against us are talking that there are more malaria cases or there are more fever cases. I can tell you, Bashir, our government, the mandate that the people have given us, we hold it sacred. We are, we are bounden, we are duty bounden to do our best. And I think the health and medical sector now is better than ever it was earlier. We will continue to strive for better and better health and medical facilities for the people of Telangana.
Thank you so much for speaking with us. So this was Telangana Cabinet Minister and former PCC Chief Uttam Kumar Reddy Garu. With camera person Damodar Abdul Bashir, Hyderabad.